What's up everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Good morning and welcome to this new video about Luna Classic. What we'll do is, I'll do your daily update. I'll tell you everything you need to know. We'll talk about the fundamentals in the market, but also for Luna Classic specifically. And we'll talk about the technicals. So let's get right into it. Market right now is, I would say, fairly bullish. The dollar strength index is dropping, which we will close now. Bitcoin is above 21,000, market cap is getting towards 1 billion, so that's all looking good. And then for Luna Classic, fundamentally, there's actually not a lot going on. The volume is dropping and the price is pretty stable. I mean, in the end, I would say that Luna Classic is still bullish. We're still holding our support levels and we're also not dropping down massively, but there's just no fundamental development right now around Luna Classic. Unless I missed something. I mean, obviously, and we talked about that yesterday and the day before, we just passed two big proposals. The first one, stopping the reminting of burned Luna Classic from the burn tax, which was great. That was great news, and it was also great for the whole collaboration, or at least the sort of partnership with Binance, because this probably will mean that they will continue the burns, even though the burns right now are only 50% of the fees. And the first time we will get the new burn is in March. So it still takes some time, but ahead of that, we will be very bullish. So that's something to look forward to. And apart from that, then we had that second proposal of increasing the gas fees by 5. So kind of making it better for the validators, but minting new Luna Classic, all right? Because the gas fee comes from somewhere, it just gets created. Actually, that statement is not true. No, that statement is not true. It gets paid by, it gets paid by the people sending the transactions. So those are the fundamentals. I would argue they're bullish for Luna Classic, and just in general, technically, Luna Classic has been bullish as well. You can see that we haven't been in this big uptrend for a while, and now we've been consolidating for a couple of days, but this consolidation is far from bearish. We were holding the 28 EMA very well, broke through that yesterday, but now we still have this whole level around 1700, which is only getting stronger when these EMAs get there. Right, so fundamentally and technically, Luna Classic is still bullish right now. If we then, what I always like to do is still take a look at the burn tax. It's just been stable. I think we've almost burned through 38 billion Luna Classic right now, which is nice, but it's not like the Luna Classic is not being that deflationary anymore, right? That's just the general consensus, at least I think. But in general, I do think that still we can actually, because of the strength of the support levels, because of the bullish fundamentals in the market, and also because of, it's really the bullish fundamentals in the market and the bullish technicals for Luna Classic. Because of that, I already think that we're going to stay in this consolidation, which is what I've said for the last couple of days. And then somewhere, what I expect from the market, I expect bullish to get another bullish breakout. So with that bullish breakout for Bitcoin, I think that Luna Classic is strong enough and is going to react to that enough to actually break above 18,500, which has been our main resistance for the last weeks. Break above that and get towards this 1.618 fib around 20,000. Lines up very well, big psychological resistance level, big technical level. So that's still what I expect. If anything changes, if fundamentals come out, I will definitely be the first to tell you. But right now, this is it. These are the circumstances, and this is what I expect. So that's my take on Luna Classic for today. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.